Hi, I'm Mark Nantz, President and CEO of Valley Health, and I'm coming to you today from Valley Health Warren Memorial Hospital in Front Royal, Virginia, which sits at the confluence of the north and south branches of the beautiful Shenandoah River. No wonder it's known as the canoe capital of Virginia. Since joining Valley Health in June, I have had the unique opportunity to travel to and explore nearly all of the towns and communities that are served by our health system's family of hospitals. And I must say that I am particularly excited to be here at Warren Memorial Hospital. The stories I heard today from staff make me excited for the future of healthcare in Warren County. If you don't already know, Valley Health is investing more than $100 million in a new state-of-the-art replacement facility that will meet the growing and changing healthcare needs of the surrounding area for generations to come. Creating a thoroughly modern facility from the ground up will allow us to double down on our commitment to being a highly reliable organization where we strive to ensure that what should happen does happen 100% of the time. By soliciting input from our staff and engaging community members, we're creating an environment that will help eliminate potential obstacles in the provision of services while increasing both staff and patient satisfaction. During my tour of our current hospital on Shenandoah Avenue, I have learned that the team here at Warren Memorial Hospital has been extremely busy over the past few years. In addition to relocating urgent care to Riverton Commons in 2016, we also established a quick care on the south side of town in 2017. In 2018, we began providing highly skilled cardiac catheterization services, and last year we expanded access to outpatient physical therapy and opened up an outpatient infusion center. We continue to recruit highly trained specialists and primary care providers to the area to ensure that this community will remain a great place to live, work, and receive a broad range of high-quality healthcare services. Clearly, 2021 is going to be a big year for us, but we have to get through 2020 first. Our team here at Warren and throughout Valley Health is working hard to provide safe and effective care in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic. Our physician practices are open and welcoming patients both in person and through telehealth visits. We have put into place stringent precautions and cleaning practices at all of our hospitals, urgent care centers, and outpatient locations to ensure that our staff and patients can continue to receive care while reducing the spread of COVID-19. If you have any questions about our ongoing efforts, please visit our website at valleyhealthlink.com. In the meantime, I want to encourage everyone to continue to practice social distancing, always wear a mask when around others, wash your hands, cover your sneezes and coughs, and stay at home when possible. Each day when I come to work, I learn something new and exciting about my colleagues, the organization, our community, and the people who choose to live and work here. When I hear each of your stories about what connects you to our purpose and what drives your pursuit of excellence, I am reminded again and again about what a special place Valley Health is. Thank you.